In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an automatic index for theses, monographs, and projects. In Word, this index is called a table of contents, and the key to making it work automatically is using heading styles. Once your headings are set, Word can pull them into a clean clickable list with page numbers. We will start by preparing your document with the right styles. Then insert the index and finish by learning how to refresh it whenever your document changes. Begin by applying heading styles to your titles. Highlight your first main chapter title, for example, Introduction. Go to the Home tab at the top of the screen. In the Styles pane, click Heading 1. This tells Word that the text you selected is a top-level chapter. Repeat this process for all your main chapters, so they're consistently labeled as Heading 1. For subchapters, select the subheading text and apply Heading 2. For any subchapters beneath that, use Heading 3. Using Heading 1, 2, and 3 establishes a clear hierarchy that Word understands. Avoid manually changing font size or bolding to mimic headings. Styles do the heavy lifting and keep everything consistent. If the default appearance isn't your preference, you can adjust the look later. But for now, focus on applying the correct levels. Once your headings are defined, you are ready to generate the index. Place your mouse cursor on the blank page where you want the index to appear, usually at the very beginning of the document before your chapters. Click the References tab on the far left. Click Table of Contents. Select one of the built-in automatic table options, such as Automatic Table 1. Instantly, Word creates a table of contents using your Heading 1, Heading 2, and Heading 3 entries, complete with page numbers and clickable links. If something doesn't appear, it usually means that heading level wasn't applied to that text. As you keep writing, you'll add pages, move sections, and edit titles. The index won't update by itself, so here is how to refresh it. Right-click anywhere on your existing table of contents. Select Update field. Choose Update Entire Table. Then click OK. This updates both the page numbers and the list of headings so everything stays accurate. Make a habit of updating just before exporting or printing to ensure your readers get the latest version. You can repeat this anytime during your editing process, and that's it. Thanks for watching.